What is your name?
My name is Francis Fernandez.
Coming
I'm
from?
coming from Mercedes.
Mhm. What is your problem?
My problem is I had come here with a complication of spondylitis, but when doctor checked me up, he told me that I have also got a slip disc problem, which I was not aware of.
Mhm.
And then the treatment was started for slip disc and cervical spondylitis also.
What are the symptoms? What was the problem you are suffering?
I used to get a lot of pain around this portion of my shoulders, then all the joints, back also. I used to get some like something that like pins are poking,
Pricking sensation.
sensation that pain has to get.
Mhm.
And like especially in the mornings whenever I used to get up,
Mhm.
or like after a hard, like I finish my work after a day's work, that time when I'm going to sleep, like I used to get that sort of pain.
How many years you are suffering this?
Now this was nearly now completing this treatment will be 2 years now.
Mhm.
When I came over, reported over here, it was 1.5 year old.
What you have tried before for that?
I tried allopathy medicines. Then I went for to meet the orthopedic doctor also,
Mhm.
and he told me that cervical spondylosis there is no treatment as such. Only you can control it with exercises,
Mhm.
which I was doing, but still I was getting that sort of pain.
Mhm. So how you came to know about our center?
It was actually through the TV, in the TV program which was going on.
Mhm.
Then I took the address and I logged on to the site,
Mhm.
and I went to the site and through the research cases, wherein one case I found out that was similar to my case of cervical spondylosis.
Mhm.
So taking that into consideration, I came for consultation, and when doctor told me that along with the cervical spondylosis, I am having the slip disc problem, then I started a treatment for that.
So how you find after our treatment?
After now, tomorrow will be my last day. That I will be completing 6 month treatment. But with that pain, I am not getting that pain which I used to get initially. That pain has gone, and even the shoulders, this and all, that pain is not there now.
Your neck, face,
Neck
flexibility,
and
everything is free.
Everything is free now. There is no problem.
What do you want to advise to the people who are suffering like this?
It would be like,
Because see, lot of people think about their one needle will work, because we got addiction of only taking medication inside, that only will help. So what you want to advise about this?
my advice would be like people who are having this problem of cervical spondylosis or slip disc, where the other doctors are saying there is no cure for that. Only like exercises we can do, but still after doing the exercises you don't get any relief. People should go in for this sort of treatment so that they get a complete relief from that, complete cure. That is my advice to the people.
Okay, what do you want to say about our center? How you feel here?
Here it is a very homely atmosphere. Everyone over here, including the doctor, gives us touch that you feel that you are at home only. That sort of homely atmosphere we get over here.
You get such a friends here.
Yeah, we do come across a lot of people. We make a lot of friends also.
Yeah.
And we come to know about a lot of
You
other
feel
cases.
like this 6 month, 10 days you are coming for 6 months now.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you feel any boring coming here, or how you feel here?
No, I used to always feel that okay, I used to wait for the first
When
day
first
to come.
day will come.
Every month, like when come, that I will go to this clinic, I'll meet my friends, I'll meet the doctor, and I'll take my treatment also.
Yeah. So it 6 months goes very
It
easily.
has just gone. I don't know when I just started and now when it is ending. Like tomorrow is my last day, so I just don't know when it has just flew.
We will also be, because now you will be leaving from here, but I want always you should come here, meet us again and again, not as a patient but as a friend.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely, doctor.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, doctor.